What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. This will be the last video for this year 2020, and I would like to thank everyone for all your continued support over the year. And we've grown so much this year, and I couldn't have done it without all of you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And for that, I'll be doing a giveaway in this video, so make sure you watch until the end. In this video, we'll be talking about the Mi Motion Activated Nightlight version 2. So let's start unboxing. Inside the box, we have the light sensor, the base, warranty card, and instruction manual. It is powered by 3 AA batteries, which is not included in the box. It has 2 brightness options, low, which is 3 lumen, the high is 25 lumen. And the battery life is super long. It could reach up to 15 months on the low and up to 8 months for the high setting. It has a new and improved design compared to the old version. It is made out of durable plastic with a magnetic base so that you can rotate 360 degrees to adjust. Its height is only 62mm and its width is 80mm and it only weighs 72 grams. It uses an infrared detection plus light sensor to detect motion up to 6 meters on the front and 2.5 meters on the sides within the 120 degrees angle. Compared to the first version, I would prefer the Mi Motion Nightlight 2 design. It is minimalist and it has brighter light with an adjustable 360 degrees. The only thing I don't like is the base adhesive because it kind of makes it permanent once you installed it. And now for the giveaway. I'll be giving away the Mi Motion Activated Nightlight version 2 to one of our subscribers. All you have to do is follow these 2 steps. Number 1 is make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that I get notified for my upcoming videos and more giveaways soon. Number 2 is comment below which would you prefer, the version 1 or version 2, and tell us why. I'll be announcing the winner Sunday of next week. I have more details in the description below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next year. Happy New Year!